Hi ST, I know this review is long pending. I have attended your program a few months back, actually 4 months back, and so I am supposed to give a review long back, but here it is. Anyways, better late than never. So to everybody who is listening to this review, the program is STMP, Simple Trader Mentorship Program. And it is one of the eye-opening programs that I have attended, and I have attended multiple trainings before on the stock market. This is an eye-opening program in terms of how simple it is, and it is true to its name. It is as simple as as it can get. That is, everyone thinks the stock market is complicated, but ST has brought it to a few simple rules that need to be followed, and if they are followed religiously, you can definitely look at making money consistently in the stock market. The way he puts the terms and the way he teaches us things as to how to view the market is just a handful of steps, and you can apply that to any sort of instrument that is traded. And this is not only for any sort of intraday. There is no time restriction as well, the time frame restriction on this for this course's application. So I think you should give it a try. You can have a conversation with ST before he's free. He's open and he's free enough to discuss things with you and help you to take a decision whether to move forward with the mentorship or not. And I think you should explore this as a learning tool, and it will be with me for lifetime, and I hope it will be for all of you as well. Thank you so much, ST, for giving me this opportunity and learnings for life. Thank you so much.